Hello, this is Oscar Dadashian from Smile Dental Practice.
Right, let's talk about bleeding gum. What do you do if you have bleeding gum? Bleeding gum is often caused by an inflammation around your gum, and many times it can be sorted and improved by just improving your cleaning techniques. Caused either by not cleaning properly, or you get food stuck in there. So the cleaning is very important. Whether you use an electric toothbrush or a manual toothbrush, it doesn't matter. Electric toothbrushes often cleans better, but even a manual toothbrush used properly can clean your teeth very well. The most important thing is that when you brush your teeth, you keep it very close to your gum. You clean around that gum line very carefully, very softly and gently, but that area is very important to be kept clean. Now, often when your gum bleeds, and it's very sore and uncomfortable, the first thing patients do is that they stop cleaning it. They think they might be hurting themselves, or when they clean their teeth and it bleeds, they think they are causing the issue. But wherever it bleeds, you just need to keep that area very nice and clean. So again, put the toothbrush close to your gum and just make sure you clean that area up properly. Do it very softly and gently, but nevertheless make sure you clean it. Same thing with an electric toothbrush. Make sure that electric toothbrush is cleaning that area very well. Then you need to make sure to clean in between it. We're going to use floss, but interdental brushes are even better. Interdental brushes are like tiny tube brushes. It's a plastic brushes around a metal wire. These bristles are very soft, so they don't damage your teeth or your restorations. You have different sizes. Obviously, you have to make sure to find the right sizes. Often you might need several colors, several sizes, because of the gaps. For instance, you're not going to be able to use a very large one in between your teeth that are very tight, but if you have a large gap somewhere, you might be able to use it. So use different size, try different sizes. And what you do is that simply you just put this in between and you just go back and forth and you clean right in between. And it's very important you do it everywhere. You go in between all your teeth and you clean them. Now, those areas that are bleeding, you then can also use some chemical cleaning as well as mechanical cleaning. And that chemical cleaning, normally these Corsadil products are very good. The mouthwash is exactly the same sort of a mouthwash, but different brand. But Corsadil is widely available, supermarkets, pharmacy and chemists. This is a toothpaste, but that's a gel. If you brush your teeth with the toothpaste, it does help your gum. But if it's bleeding a lot, you can use the gel. What you do, you put some of that gel in your hand and you dip your interdental brush in there, and then you go in and clean that area. Super Floss is another product that's very good. It has 3 parts. This is often used for cleaning under your implants, under your bridge work. This part is stiffer, this part is spongy, and this part is like a normal floss. That you take a stiffer part, you put it through in between your teeth. You then pick it up from the other end and use the spongy part to clean in between. Now, again, if you have any bleeding gum, what you can do is that you can soak this spongy part in some Corsadil mouthwash or some gel, and then you get it underneath and clean it. And by doing so, you also get chemical cleaning. This can often be put through right underneath the bridge. So you use sewing action and you can get it right underneath the bridge, and then you clean them up properly. So that can be done underneath your ordinary bridge. If you have an implant bridge, and even if you have a single implant, you can put it through in between to clean that area. Super Floss, very good product. There are 2 other very good useful products to use. This one is called Interspace Brush. brilliant, especially around your crowns and bridge work. What you do, you just put it there in between just those small areas that you can't get, and you clean. Many times if you have wisdom teeth that are very hard to keep it clean as well, same thing there. You basically have a small brush with a small head you can put through and clean. It's the same thing. This one is called a compact brush. So very easy to use to clean right underneath the margin of your restorations.
Do not hesitate to contact us, your own local practice, and we can very easily help you with advice over the phone. Thank you.